Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this review, I am taking a look at RedFox EA for MT4. We're just going to go through the MQL5 Marketplace page, examine the features described by the developer, discuss the supported trading environments, and then move into the historical backtesting section to analyze the results and overall behavior of the EA. So starting here on the marketplace page, we can see that RedFox EA is available for a purchase price of 149 US dollars. Now, there are also rental options available, including 1 month going for 30 US dollars, 3 months going for 50 US dollars, and 6 months going for 90 US dollars. Okay. That gives traders some flexibility if they want to test the EA before making a full purchase decision. The developer of this expert advisor is Ruiman Tien, and the version currently shown is version 1.2 with an update date of 8 July 2021. Looking at the description, the developer presents RedFox EA as a sophisticated expert advisor that is designed to trade across a wide range of currency pairs. Now, one of the key points mentioned here is that the EA follows a trend following approach. According to the description, it uses trend line logic to identify market trends and make trading decisions based on those observed market movements. Okay, so the developer explains that by analyzing price action and trend lines, the EA attempts to identify opportunities for entering and exiting trades. Since trend identification is a core part of the system's design, the effectiveness of the EA will naturally depend on how market trends develop during the periods being traded. Now, another interesting aspect highlighted on the page is flexibility. RedFox EA is designed to work across multiple time frames ranging from M1 all the way up to H4. That gives traders the ability to adapt the EA to different trading styles, whether they prefer shorter term market activity or somewhat longer term trend development. As I continue through the available information, there aren't a large number of detailed settings or additional operational rules provided in the description. However, the focus on trend analysis and time frame flexibility appears to be the main foundation of the EA, according to the developer's explanation. Now, let us transition into the backtesting section and review the historical testing performance. Okay, whenever I evaluate historical backtests, I try to focus on how the EA behaves throughout the entire testing period rather than concentrating solely on the final profit figure. Okay, so let us briefly look at the provided tester report here. I can see that the EA was tested on gold on the 1 minute time frame between 8th April 2020 to 7th April 2021. And initial deposit here is $100,000. Total net profit was about $1.3 million, over $1.3 million. Total trades here were 7,557, out of which 5,346 were profitable. So that gave us a 70.74% win rate. I can see here that there were significant drawdowns on intervals, right? Because the green line represents the equity, the blue represents the balance. So there were times where there were sharp drawdowns, floating losses, right? Those represent floating losses. Okay, so when I look here, I can see that the relative drawdown was up to 20.58%. Maximal drawdown 20.58%. Okay, let's see the next report here. Okay, so that was the only report. This is just the input. Let's head over to our strategy tester. Let's also see how the RedFox EA performed on gold on the 1 hour time frame using the every tick model over the past 3 months. That's from March 20th to June 20th, 2026. Okay, so here I can see that from an initial deposit of $10,000, the total net profit was $340.77. Out of 180 trades taken, 174 were profitable. This is pretty impressive. That gave us a 96.67% win rate. And looking at the profits and losses, largest profit was 90.33, largest loss was 69.13, average profit was 3.28, and the average loss was 38.42. So that means that the risk to reward ratio was bad, was really bad. See the difference between the average profit and the average loss? Significant. Now let's head over to turn on the visuals. Let's see how this EA looks like in action. Okay, looking at the historical analysis allows us to assess consistency, trade management behavior, and how the strategy responds to different market environments. Based on the information provided by the developer, the trend following logic is the primary framework behind the EA. As we review the historical chart activity, we should be able to observe where trades were initiated, and how positions were managed within the broader context of market direction. Since the strategy is described as trend focused, periods of sustained directional movement may provide a different historical experience compared to periods where markets are moving sideways. It's also worth remembering that historical testing becomes more meaningful when conducted across longer periods and different market conditions. I'd still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market environments and market cycles. All right. As we continue examining the chart history, it is important to stay within the developer, within what the developer has actually disclosed, right? We know that the EA uses trend line logic and trend following principles, but beyond that, the exact entry and exit mechanics are not described in detail. So I wouldn't make assumptions beyond the information provided. Looking at the historical testing performance overall, these results should always be viewed as historical analysis rather than expectations of future performance. Actual outcomes can vary depending on risk settings, lot size selection, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, market conditions, and any optimization choices made by the user. So overall, the RedFox EA for MT4 presents itself as a trend following expert advisor designed for multiple currency pairs and a wide range of time frames from M1 through H4. If the trend following approach aligns with your trading style, I will still encourage conducting your own testing and optimization before considering live deployment, so you can properly evaluate its behavior under the conditions that matter most to you. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.